Have you ever come across posts on LinkedIn that you're simply just not interested in? And if so, guys, I'm going to show you how to basically put those posts into not interested. Right. So how do you do it? Once you come across a post that you're not interested in, I'm going to just use something randomly. There's nothing to do with the post or the person or whatever. I just want to mention that. So once you come across the post, all you have to do, guys, is just simply click three dots on the upper right hand side. And here you'll find the option that says hide or report this ad, right? So if it's an ad, you'll have the option that says hide it. And if it's a normal post, you'll have the option to choose that it will say not interested. So you will have the not interested option. So if it's an ad, you will have the option that says hide or report this ad. Or if it's a normal post, you will have the option that basically said that you can choose not interested. Just go ahead and click on not interested. You can choose a reason why, and you can just say whatever it is. It's really up to you, right? Old or whatever the reason can be, something else or whatever. You can choose something else. You don't even have to say whatever it is. You can just do it and click and submit. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.